Now, I know you may be wondering, isn't skipping breakfast bad for you? Why would anyone want to fast for 14 to 16 hours every day? What are the health benefits? Is there any science behind these? Isn't this dangerous? Now, slow down, friend. You are in the right place, because in this video I am breaking down intermittent fasting for you. We'll be talking about the science, the benefits, the rules, the methods, and I have a free gift for you at the end of this video. Hello, my name is Dr. Malik King, and on this channel I supply you practical tips to help you stay healthy, fit and happy, and improve your personal performance and workplace productivity. Consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification button so that you will be the first to get my new videos. So first, is intermittent fasting another weight loss diet? Now, intermittent fasting is not exactly a diet. It is a pattern of eating. It is a way of scheduling your meals in a healthy way. Intermittent fasting doesn't change what you eat. It changes when you eat. So you can eat all the groups of a healthy balanced diet, from carbohydrates to fats to proteins and so on. It is a great way to achieve healthy weight without going on a diet that is too strange or too expensive or too difficult to sustain. And so the beauty is that intermittent fasting burns unhealthy fats and spares healthy muscles. Now, fat accumulation in your body is bad for you, even if you are slim or skinny. So if you want to lose unhealthy weight, you can use intermittent fasting. And now, how does intermittent fasting work? Now, to be healthy and to live long and have ideal body weight, you need to burn fat, because fat to the body is like a spare tire is to a car. You only use a spare tire when the main tire is bad. As you eat, your body stores excess food as fat and will continue storing it as fat, and the body will not use up the excess or the stored fat except you stop eating for several hours. So every 24 hours is divided into two states: the feasting state and the fasting state. During the feasting state, your body is eating, digesting and absorbing the food you eat. So this feasting state starts when you begin eating and lasts for hours. In this state, it is very hard for your body to burn fat. You have enough food in your system. However, if your body doesn't get any meal after about 8 to 12 hours of your last meal, it enters into the fasting state. Now, it can burn fat that has been inaccessible during the feasting state. There is now a need to use up the stored fat as food, because you're no longer eating, digesting or absorbing. So it takes about 12 hours after our last meal for our body to enter into the fasting fat burning state. Now, it is very important to know that people gain weight and accumulate fat because they are always on the feasting state. So generally, they never stay over 12 hours without something entering their mouth. They never enter the fasting state. They only accumulate fat. They hardly burn it. So you see, with intermittent fasting, you will lose fat without changing what you eat, without changing how much you eat, and without exercise. It is all about allowing over 12 hours for your body to enter into the fasting state and burn fat. And of course, you can do that overnight while you sleep. So what are the major health benefits of intermittent fasting? Number one, it helps with weight loss. It can help you lose weight and belly fat in a safer and easier way. Number two, it prevents diabetes. Intermittent fasting can reduce insulin resistance, lowering your blood sugar by 3 to 6%. Number three, it prevents chronic diseases. Intermittent fasting reduces the markers of inflammation, and inflammation is a key driver of many chronic diseases. Number four, it improves heart health. Intermittent fasting reduces bad fat and blood sugar, thereby preventing heart diseases. Number five, intermittent fasting prevents cancer. Now, animal studies suggest that intermittent fasting may help prevent cancer. Number six, it improves brain health. Intermittent fasting increases a brain hormone called BDNF, and it may aid the growth of new nerve cells, thereby helping memory and learning. Number 7, intermittent fasting increases lifespan and it is anti-aging. Now, because studies have shown that rats that are placed on intermittent fasting live as much as 36 to 83% longer. Now, how do you do intermittent fasting? There are many types of intermittent fasting, but here's one of the best methods. You divide every 24 hours into a 16-hour fasting and an 8-hour eating period. Now, it doesn't matter where you start your 8-hour feasting period. You can start at 8 a.m. and stop at 4 p.m. or you can start at 2 p.m. and stop at 10 p.m. or 8 a.m. and stop at 6 p.m. You can do whatever works for you, but I have noticed it is easier for people to eat their first meal around 11 a.m. and eat their last meal around 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. So you simply skip breakfast, and this method works well for many people. Now, if you do it every day, it will soon become a habit and become very easy and normal and natural and without stress. Now, are there some rules for intermittent fasting? Yes, there are. Number 1, during the fasting phase, consume no calories. So after your last meal, say 7 p.m., nothing enters your mouth. And when you wake up before your first meal, say by 10 a.m., nothing enters your mouth. Number 2, well, if you have anything with 0 or extremely low calories, you can take. So during the fasting phase, you can take water, black coffee, or green tea, but nothing else, not even fruits or vegetables or nuts or heavy snacks, nothing. Number 3, during the feasting period, let's say between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m., you can eat anything in any amount and as many times as you want, but all should be within the 8 hours of feeding. Keep a consistent schedule. Choose your timing and stick to eat religiously. Now, this may sound contradictory, but intermittent fasting is not meant for everybody. If you have a medical condition, then you should consult with your doctor before trying intermittent fasting. This is particularly important if you have diabetes, if you have severe ulcer, if you have low blood pressure, if you are on any special regular drugs, if you are severely underweight or severely malnourished, if you're very sick or just recovering from a serious illness, if you have a history of psychiatric disorder or eating disorder, if you're a lady who is trying to conceive, if you are pregnant, or if you are breastfeeding, if you have any of the above mentioned, don't just start intermittent fasting. You must first discuss with your doctor. Skipping breakfast is completely healthy. If you make sure to eat healthy food for the rest of the day, then you are good to go. Stay hydrated. You may get very hungry and dizzy and weak, but it will pass, and after a few days, your body will adapt. Now, did you learn anything new? Don't forget to hit the like button and stay subscribed, and I have a free gift for you. It is an ebook titled Fire Your Doctor, and it gives you 30 timeless tips to help you enjoy total health, ideal weight, and better sex. And you can get it in the description section below. Take charge of your health and happiness.